fleeing from Erkenvik to Hveradalir. After having hidden away all food, all precious things, all goods, all cattle, everyone on the 2 farms in Erkenvik, Auður, Úlga and Vékell and their men, and Hervor and Björn Jórserkur along with their men, are ready to leave Erkenvik on Edda's ponies. A few very old ones stay behind, dress up as poor people, looking as hungry and miserable ones, having scarce food. All food, except the skyr barrels in the cellar pantry, has been hidden away in the caves. Edda Smá, Sigdrífa, Hugmóður and Högni are, both at the same time, proud of being able to warn their families and also sorrowful, but this was the only way out of this threatening situation. It is hard to say goodbye, but we know that this is for the best. Edda's ponies are very happy to be now at last returning to Hveradalir, hot spring dales where Edda V. Ása lives. There is no doubt that the ponies know where they are going. Edda Smá, Sigdrífa, Hugmóður and Högni have no time to lose. They now ride the Erkenvik ponies back to the episcopal seat. They have to reach the bishop's seat without meeting his men who will be on their way to Erkenvik. Edda's ponies know exactly where to go to reach Hveradalir. The families from Erkenvik would never have found Hveradalir all by themselves. Högni and Edda Smá told them to have the ponies find the way. When they at last arrive, there is nothing to be seen but steam from the hot springs. That is because everyone is hiding. Sámur has seen from afar some riders arrive. He tells Edda, these men are unarmed. Edda knew already, of course. She sees past and future. The ponies simply stop. They are not going any further. Vékell, Björn, Auður, and Hervor do not know what to do, so everyone dismounts their horses and just stand there. The ponies are happy, we can see it in their eyes, and they neigh with a loud voice. Of course the horses in Hveradalir answer back, and they now gallop towards those who just arrived, as if simply appearing out of the dense steam. Now Edda V. Ása walks towards them, as if appearing out of the steam. The ponies who just arrived now see Edda and gallantly trot towards her, cuddling her with their heads, bowing down before her by lowering their heads. Sámur comes too. Hervor walks towards Edda V. Ása and tells her who they are, why they are here. I am Hervor from Erkenvik, mamma of Högni and Hugmóður. This is Björn, my husband, and here are Auður, Úlga and Vékell, Sigdrífa's parents. It is very difficult for Hervor to tell why they are here. It's very difficult for Hervor to ask for shelter and food. But Edda V. Ása knew this all the time. She has foreseen, and they are welcomed. Edda V. Ása, we shall send men to spy on the bishop's men to see when they have left Erkenvik, finished their plundering. I hope they report to the bishop that Erkenvik is a poor place not worth stealing.